Welcome back everybody. In this class I'm just going to teach you some more things. So let's just open the Notepad++. And actually what we just did, we just actually programmed the profile.php page, and here I'm just getting the original and genuine result from the database. So right now what I'm just going to do is actually making workable the new post item, because adding posts is really important thing. So let's just start programming the new post.php page. So for this purpose, what I have to do is actually I'm just going to the CMS folder, and there inside the admin page, this is the new post.php page. Okay, so I'm just opening the edit with Notepad++. Okay, so this is the page. What I'm just gonna do is actually, here is the image uploader. Okay, this is the image uploader, and if I just go to the form tag, now you can see that the action page is new post.php and the method is post, and the encryption type is multipart/form data. That means this is page which is the form.php, new post.php. Sorry about that. So by the way, this is the file uploaded, and the name is image, and this is the title, the name is title. This is the category, and the name of the category is actually category. The thing is that here I'm not getting the result from by my typing text. Okay, I'm just getting the result here from PHP. Okay, so that is why I just deleted the categories. So now what I'm just gonna do is just typing $cell sqln equal to select all from comments. Okay, the comment, not from comments actually, sorry about that, the category, and then select all from categories over. Okay, we don't need to add any kind of where or something like that. So definitely we are just going on the right path, and here is the run SQL, and what I'm just going to type inside it, MySQLi query query. Okay, so inside that, first of all I'm just calling the connection attribute, or sorry, connection variable, and then the cell SQL. So before that, or we just did that, but I have to check that connection variable is added in this page or no. So I have to go to the top, and definitely the include function is here, and I just added the db.php. That means everything is fine there. I'm just going down here and just opening the while loop there. Okay, and inside this while loop I'm just typing result. I can type anything, I can type rows or whatever, and then equals to sign, and then MySQLi, and fetch a sock. Okay, cover that, and then run SQL, and then I'm just going more to do more, and here is the another thing. I'm just adding an echo, and here I'm just typing option. Okay, cover that option, and then inside that I'm just actually adding the single quotes, and then $rows, and then here the category name. But actually I just forgot that what I just put it in the database, so I'm just going to the browser and just typing localhost and phpMyAdmin. Just check that what I just mentioned in the category table, oh sorry, not in the PHP admin, actually the PHP course, this is the table. Okay, now this is the countries. Okay, sorry, the CMS system was the actual database, so this is the category and this is the category name. Okay, so there what I'm just gonna do is typing category name. Okay, now let's just save that and go to the browser again, but here as a value, because I just want to send the value as well, so I'm just typing again the same thing, double dot, and then the single, sorry, not single quote right now, the rows, and then category name. Now let's just save that and go to the browser, refresh that. Okay, now actually I'm just getting the home category here, but if I just click on there, I'm getting all the categories which I just created in the table, in the category table. So here I'm just doing some more things. Actually, first of all I'm just adding the UC first function, and then just copying this line and just pasting this inside the UC first, and then refreshing this again. Now you can see that we are just getting all the text in capital letter: home, nature, and technology. one thing more which we have to do is actually we have to create a empty and just blank option here at the top, okay, which is really necessary because not everyone just want to select any category, or actually everyone have to select the category, but this should be here, select any category. So definitely this is perfect, and then add the value, which is empty. So then one thing I'm just adding more, I'll just first thing first, I'll just complete the select area, then I'll do other things. So by the way, the second thing is which I have to do, obviously if I just go to the browser and refresh that, now you can see that the select any category area and other things, the home, nature and technology. The thing is that, okay, nature is a field or technology the category, but what is home? Home is a category, but actually no one is gonna put anything in the home page. Home page is automatically created with latest post and different things. So here I'm adding another thing, the if condition, okay, and what I'm just putting here in the if area, I'm just typing if rows and then category name is equals to home. If the category name is equals to home, then what will happen here? I'm just mentioning continue. What is the continue? If you just remember, I just teach you about the continue before some lectures, that the continue field, the continue statement can actually ignore the condition. The mean is that the condition is what I'm just telling. If rows category name is equal to home, then the server should continue to the next one and just ignore the home. So go to the browser and refresh that. Now if I just click on select any category, I'm just getting nature and technology, not the home. That means I just cleared what I just want to do. So then the second thing is I just want to add some things here, like obviously it should be necessary, okay, the title should be necessary for any category. So I'm just going there and just adding the required attribute, okay, required attribute for the title and the required attribute for the category, okay. This should be necessary as well, required. It's upon you what just you just want to make required or no. I'm just setting the required with the text area as well, so all of them are actually required. And the status, so the by default status is draft should be on top, then the publish. So I just selected the draft first, so the by default value will be draft, but if you just want to publish that you have to select the publish one. So let's just save that and just refresh that, okay. So this is what I just created, everything is cleared and perfect, and then we have to just make this form workable in the PHP. So actually in this class we just maintained the form again, and actually we just added the category area. So we'll meet in next class and do some more things. So stay tuned and goodbye.